morning. Good morning. How are they? If today is the first day we just see my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Stella. I'm the mom of 3, wife. Me and my family we live for Torino, Italy. So welcome back, guys. So guys, today morning, yeah. Baby girl, go see her daughter today. She won't go take vaccine. Okay. So my other 2 kids, they have with their dad. The time now is to 8. Okay. So she got the appointment around 8:30. Now we still get the appointment around 8:30. So we just more quick come out because I don't know whether people will there. Because at times if you don't reach there, people will just food there. So my other 2 kids, they don't take holiday. I need to clear the door before 9. So their dad will enter work by 10. Okay. So now where we they go this morning, but after I finish from there, I just remember I still get small little time. If I get small time, I'll quick branch market. Though I tell Papa see, I bet if you know for meet up 10, if not around 11 we go enter. Because I need to buy meat for market. So I want to cook soup. We not get meat again. I want to buy some meat for market. So now what will happen today? So how are you guys doing? Hope so now they fine. Hope. Hi, say hi. Rejoice. He's not even looking at me. Rejoice, say hi. Rejoice, she's not smelly at all. So guys, now we think what happened today. So I just say my carry on and follow body go. Okay. See after they sweat. It's one finished person. Guys, I'm sweating. So we don't finally reach here. Oh, I don't know that they will green camera inside. Oh. If they allow, fine. If they don't allow, I'll see you now when I don't enter market. Okay. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Look at baby Rejoice. She has been disturbing me, crying here. I will beat her. I will beat her. My tripod. Do not give me my tripod. Make I use still my phone to. She not really take sweet. Look at her sweet. Oh yeah, take your sweet. Take your sweet. Take your sweet. Take. No. Are you guys seeing what this girl is doing? She has been disturbing me. She has been disturbing me. Oh yeah, take. Take. Okay. Oh yeah, lick your. IG. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Whether she knows that she want to take injection and make her they cry, I don't know. As we just enter inside your next, she just started to cry. Are you afraid of injection? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Don't worry. Maybe that be you are afraid. Okay. She said she. But you know, though we don't take number. So the next person now we they will call. The next person they will call us. Okay. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Bell, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots. So I want to do some fried rice. Okay. So hello.
1 kilo.
Sì.
Altro?
Questo 2 euro.
2 euro?
Sì. Okay.
4,50.
Under my pikin passenger, no. my pikin trolley or on the under they put them. Look at it here. I have basket here. This is where I put them. Bag, oh, make I hang my bag. So I have my bag. Oh. So let's continue. Don't worry, we'll go home very soon. Are you tired? Oh yeah, wait, let's go. Okay. Yes, we are true. Quanto? C'è resto, non c'è. C'è resto di 50 euro. Eh? Questo dolce.
Buoni dolce. Quanti chili vuoi? 1, 2?
1 chilo.
Chilo.
Ma il watermelon is sweet well well. Yes, in Nigeria, insecurity ni. Guys. On a gagné un vieux basson. I beg you, Nigeria. Guys, on a gagné un joie. Àti sọ márùn pàmò àwọn ẹ̀wà ni Èkó rẹ̀ mà ṣe especially Ẹ̀dó. Yeah, Italo mama. Yeah, my God, my easy. Okay, buy clothes. So guys, these are the ones when I just select down. I want to take them. They are very, very cheap and affordable.
أنا شيء الله يرحم الوالدين. شيء لا يا خاصة ثاني
Look at his chin. Some is sneaker.
Ego.
I'm coming, Rejoice. Okay, die, Ediamo. He don't vex. Oh yeah, let's be going. Let's pay for this and let's go. Guys, these are all the ones that I select. I want to take them. Very, very cheap. These one are the ones that I just select. Quanto?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. 24.
24. Okay.
Sì.
It's good.
Oh. Ego.
Okay.
Va bene così? Basta così?
So guys, these are the ones that I got.
Bella, dai.
I will show now if I don't reach house. So my people, I don't reach house, so I said I do voiceover for here. So my children they watch cartoon because of copyright. So now I say I do voiceover for here. So this now watermelon. That watermelon I buy am €4. Very, very cost. Things dey expensive now. So the other one are lime. So this na carrot. This carrot I buy am €1.50 for a kilo. Then I can buy this spoon for €1. Things dey very, very expensive now, guys. These are really, really expensive. So this one I dey try dey open na apple. Yes, na about 6 pieces. I buy am a kilo €2.50. I think €2.50 or €2.30. Yes, now 6 pieces. So now they buy this apple, very, very fresh and it's sweet well well. It really sweet. So this now sweet pepper, red, green and yellow bell pepper. So I buy 1 kilo €2. So this one na meat. This na beef. This beef I buy €8, guys. It cost them before this beef now €5 before. Things dey very, very, very expensive now. Then I come buy this turkey 1 kilo. I think this turkey 1 kilo I buy am €4. Yeah, I think it's €4. Yes, €4. Before it be not reach like this, so but now a kilo na €4 now. Then I come buy this na cow leg. This cow leg I buy am 1 leg €5. Yes, 1 leg €5. Now I take buy this cow leg, and it still cost before na €3.50. So guys, I bin not plan to buy cloth, honestly. As I just reach market today, I just say they just carry some cheap products come market, like very very cheap and affordable. Now I say what? I say make I select inside. So this na trouser. This trouser is so cute. Like when I wear am, e carry my nyash come up, very very cute. So I buy everything for here. I buy at €33. I think everything could be €24. Then I come buy this top. See guys, because of my widow, the lighting, una no dey see this cloth well. These clothes are so cute. When I wear them, like they fine. If they follow my body, they fine finish. So this now black trouser. And na 3/4. No, it was not reach ground well. Now black 3/4, very very cute. You can't get this big leg. I think now the rain and then most people they wear now. Now see I still follow the wear inside though. So you get this design for the waistline, some shiny design for the waistline. I don't know that they see, they try showing us. I don't know that they see. So this now red top. This top, guys, is so cute. See now red though, but now they look at like orange color, like red, pepper red, like now this top be. But I just forget I suppose close that window so now go they see the now go they see am well. I just forget I beg make una manage am like this the way una see am. Make una just manage this video, you know, bright way. So guys, I can still buy this red one, guys. This one are my favorite. This top now see I dey laugh. This are my favorite, very very cute. When I wear them, like very very cute. It's too fine. Now long sleeve, they can't get this design for the hand sides, the shoulder area. They can't get this elastic for the down here, like very very cute, guys. Now Shein product or if this product they stores, if you want that this top, I'm not sure say that you will see at €3, but I buy am €3, guys. At times now so they carry some markers they come on. So all these big markers. So guys, this 3/4 is so cute. Go get this flower design, like this short is so cute. It's too fine. I really like this short well. I really like, and it's still one of my favorites. Very very cute, and it dey very very soft, light material, very very soft. You can get this white line for the down. I don't know that one they see. Yes, so cute. €3, guys. €3. At times na so they bring some product, or at times Armani, at times Adidas, at times H&M, OVS, Zara. They just still carry am come. So today come happen to be the day wey they just carry Shein come. Now I say, hey, I must take inside though, guys. This t-shirt is so cute, guys. This one a t-shirt, dark blue t-shirt. This t-shirt is so cute. So that's me. They try to show na muna see I say na Shein product. I don't know that one they see. I think na say na Shein product. Very very cute. So cute. If this top there for their store, I'm not sure so now the person will see this top buy for €3. Yes, I bet I see am buy for €3, guys. €3. Now to buy am very cheap, very very cheap. This top when I wear am, very very fine. This t-shirt so e very fine, just carry my body. I just like am. So I can still buy this long sleeve. I know say this one na during winter time. Now I fit wear this one. So this one na still Shein. I also make I just still show now. It's so cute. When I wear this one too, very 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 cute. It's so cute. So I'll keep until winter before I will wear am. See guys, when I know they see this cloth to wear, this cloth is very very cute, like very very cute. So you can't get this a rope for the side. You just tie it for one side. So guys, I think we don't finish this now. All the things when I buy how una see am. Hope una enjoy this video. If you do, make una give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Abeg make una dey share my video. Abeg make una dey share my video, please. Abeg make una take this ministry to the permanent side. So make una let me know wetin una think about this cloth. How una see am, how say dey fine, una like am. My people, I say my remind una again, oh, if you never subscribe, make you not forget, okay? Make una let me know for the comment section, okay? I'll see you again for my next video.